Hey, in this video lecture, we will understand the functioning of this code. The key statement is y equal to plus plus x. Now we'll try to understand, does Python support the plus plus operator? If no, will it give an error? If yes, will it increment the value of x? Let's try to run this program and understand the functioning of this. Let's start execution. So statement number 1 will create a variable called as x and initialize with the value 5. Statement number 2, you can just observe it did not give me any error. But at the same time, it also did not increment the value of x. So the value of y is 5 itself. Now, the question is this an increment operator? The answer is no, it is not an increment operator. Python does not support increment operator. If Python does not support increment operator, why is it not throwing an error? The reason is it is treating as a unary plus operator applied twice. Like we have this unary minus, which will give me the value as minus 5. The same way, I can also use the unary plus operator, which will not modify the value of x. It will give you the same thing as 5 itself. Now it's just like you're applying the plus, which is a unary operator, twice. So x is 5, plus of x is also 5. Again, applying plus on that is also 5. But what about minus minus? So minus of x is basically going to give me minus 5. And then again applying minus on that will again give me the plus 5. So let's first verify with minus 5 here. A single minus. You can just see y is minus 5. But if you apply this minus once more, let me just try to use z equal to minus of y. So if I use z equal to minus 5, so y value was minus 5 and z value will be plus 5. So instead of writing this as two statements, it's just equivalent to writing like minus minus. Okay, this will give me back as the original one. Now, the unary plus or minus operator is applied towards the left side of the operand, not on the right side. So if I basically use this plus plus operator on the right hand side, it will not be treated as unary plus. And since Python does not support increment operator, this particular statement gives me a syntax error. So what's the error out here? It says invalid syntax. Fine. So I hope the concept is clear. The key point to observe here is we should not use plus plus x operator because this plus plus operator is an increment operator in other languages, whereas in Python, it is not an increment operator. It will not give an error, but it will not update the value of it. So many a times it does happen that we end up into writing an infinite loop because we might have just used plus plus x. It is always better to use x equal to x plus 1 that way, or we can basically use the compound assignment operator x equal to x plus equal to 1. Right? So I hope the concept is clear. Thank you.